In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an inner fender liner on your Scion XB. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Remove the hubcap. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 bolts. Looking right in front of the driver's door, looking up at the bottom of the car, we have a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove it. Remove the plastic trim. On these ones going into the fenders, they have 2 tabs. You can see right on the inside my pick pushing up on it. We have to try and get these tabs on both sides. And then you can remove the clip. Those are the 2 tabs. Do the same thing on this one. I highly recommend having some extra clips when doing this job. These do not like to come out. If you're really struggling, you can just clip them if you have extra clips. And that's the mess you're left with. You can just push it through after you clip it. Just make sure you have another clip. Those hold our screws that go in, so they're special clips. Using a trim tool, we're going to go around and remove all of the plastic clips for our fender liner. Using a Phillips head bit, remove the screw. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the front fender liner. This should be a 10mm bolt. Ours is just a zip tie, so we're going to clip it. Remove the inner fender liner. Install the new fender liner into place. Tuck it into the bottom. Pull it around the inside of the fender. Install the plastic clips. These are those special square ones that hold the bolts. Install the 10mm screws. Install the plastic clip. We have one more in the top here. Tuck the fender liner behind the fender right after that top clip. Leave this plastic tab out. Install your plastic clip. We have one more in the inner fender. I'm going to remove that 10mm. I'm going to install my plastic bracket. Make sure it's seated square and install the bolt. Now we'll go under, install the bolt. Snug it down. Install all the plastic clips. Install the Phillips screw. Be sure the fender liner is in between the bumper and the front splash shield. Install the bolt and snug it down. If you have your bolt for here, go ahead and install it. We'll be putting a zip tie in. Install the wheel, get all the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 79 foot-pounds. Install the hubcap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.